I was not too active on social media before the lockdown. लेकिन मैंने 2020 में एक चीज तो सीखी कि कैसे अगर आपका एक प्लेटफॉर्म विच इज फिल्म्स वहां 5-6 महीने शूट हुआ नहीं तो आप कैसे किसी और प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाके उसको अपना प्लेटफॉर्म बनाने की कोशिश कर सकते हो. एंड टचवुड इट रियली वर्कड वेल. नो मैटर व्हाट, family will always be your biggest support system.
Hello everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahani and today I'm very excited to be chatting with Apar Shakti Khurana, the ever energetic and all-rounder of Bollywood. Hi
Rashita
Apar, welcome to
Sahani,
Peeping
what's up?
You tell me, how have you been?
पहले मैंने बोला था Rashita Sahani, what's up? आपने ever energetic कर दिया. मैंने कहा ओए what's up?
Yeah, you definitely are.
All good?
It's going good, but I have to tell this that 2020, the year it was, I think no one did it better than you on social media and offline as well. I mean, whenever I chatted with you, there was this sense of positivity that, was rushing through you and me as well. So you tell me, how was 2020 for you?
Yeah, Touchwood was fine. It was absolutely fine. I kind of found a new Apar inside me who could cook, a new Apar who could stay at home and not be jumpy all the time, a new Apar who could always, so I was not too active on social media before the lockdown. लेकिन मैंने 2020 में एक चीज तो सीखी कि कैसे अगर आपका एक प्लेटफॉर्म विच इज फिल्म्स वहां 5-6 महीने शूट हुआ नहीं तो आप कैसे किसी और प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाके उसको अपना प्लेटफॉर्म बनाने की कोशिश कर सकते हो. एंड टचवुड इट रियली वर्कड वेल. We did a lot of brand collaborations. We did a lot of Instagram live sessions and बहुत मजा आया. अब 2021 शुरू हो गया है. Just hoping कि सब कुछ सही रहे. I know things अभी थोड़ी सी प्लस माइनस हो रही हैं. We don't know how things will settle down, how and when. But having said that, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार it will always be about the survival of the fittest and just let's just be together in it and try to put forward, try to put the best foot forward and जो कुछ भी better काम हम कर पाएंगे films में, web में, वो सब करना है. So yeah.
Yeah, definitely. And we will be waiting for that side as well. But you tell me 2021 के अभी big plans आपके क्या है?
Yeah, 2021 के big plans ये हैं कि मैं एक गाना लेकर आ रहा हूँ जल्दी. 2021 का big plan ये है कि Helmet release हो रही है, my first solo. 2021 का big plan ये है that I'm gonna be, shooting my first suspense thriller. So बहुत सारी चीजें touchwood अच्छी हो रही हैं and moving the right direction. Just looking forward that how things pan out in near future.
Okay, correct.
Yeah.
And if I ask you that 2020, say what will that one big takeaway be for you that you have just taken and now you are going to apply it to all the years? What is that?
Yeah, one takeaway is that no matter what, family will always be your biggest support system.
Yeah.
Not that कि मुझे ये बात पहले नहीं पता था लेकिन पिछले साल ने ये जरूर बता दिया है कि यार फैमिली से ऊपर कोई है ही नहीं. And it's just amazing to have spent such beautiful time with the loved ones side by side. काम भी होता रहा, सारी चीजें होती रही. We were in Chandigarh after so many years. It was amazing to be around your school friends, family friends, neighbors, parents, everybody. So ये चीज सिखा दी उन्होंने कि जो आपके फैमिली होती है वही आपको हमेशा साथ लेकर चलती है. So yeah.
Definitely, yeah. Agreed, definitely. And जैसे कि पता है 2020 we were all locked in and we were not prepared for this at all. But even then, Apashakti, I have to tell this that you were that one actor who was constantly trying to entertain the audience. Even though big screens band thi, you had your Instagram and you were on it. You did all the challenges. You were live. everything, so much energy, positivity. How did you manage?
यार, I would rather say कि अगर मैं वो नहीं कर रहा होता तो मैं I would have died from inside, you know. I'm just such an up-tempo, energetic guy. I just love talking to people around. I just love, you know, having all sorts of conversations with, you know, people from all walks of life. It's amazing to learn and you know, a thing or two from you know, new friends. And I won't say I was really making uh, an effort, so to say, to keep everyone going.
Yeah.
That's just me. You just go to any film set. उनको पता है अपार आएगा तो बहुत मतलब खाने की चीजें लेकर आएगा और बहुत मतलब. So I mean, I am that person, you know. So I didn't have to try too hard to be soft tempo and jumpy on my on all my Instagram live sessions and give that energy out to all my, you know, uh, audience. So it's just something which I also wanted to do it for my own sanity.
Yeah.
So it just worked both ways, and I'm really happy to have spread that happiness, that positivity, and I also got that back from so many people around. And yes, looking forward to the to this year in the same way. चीजें जितनी ठीक हों उतनी अच्छा है, नहीं हुई तो आप मैं हम सब मिलके यार we'll make a better place यार.
जी बिल्कुल. And of course, 2021, your film Helmet is releasing. What is the excitement level like now?
यार सिंपल सी बात यह है कि आप किसी भी क्षेत्र में हो, whatever field you're working in, जब आपको वो स्पेस मिलती है जहाँ पे आप फोर फ्रंट पे हैं, जहाँ पे आप यू नो जहाँ पे आप कुछ 8-9 फिल्म्स करके पहुंचे हैं, वो आपको स्पेशल तो फील कराता है. आई थिंक इट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फिल्म ऑफ माई लाइफ एंड इट्स ऑल्सो यू नो a very important, very special film, and the journey was really, really nice. Of course, you can't really predict the destiny of a particular film. We have made it with all our heart, and I think whatever was written on that, you know, script, we have executed that, and now it's for the audience to kind of decide that the kind of love and, you know, respect they've given me in the supporting space, do they want to give the same love and you know, confidence in the lead space as well? If they can give it to me, I'll be, you know, I'll be really, really happy. Just in case they don't give, I will be ready to do another journey and come back again, you know, with my learnings, and again knock their door, and looking for that big tight hug, and let's see what happens then.
I am sure you're going to shine on, because the amount of love that people shower on you, it's commendable. Like, I keep reading posts, tweets, everything on each and every video of yours. So I'm sure it will work in your favor.
Thank you so much, Baba. God has been very kind. Thank you. I think it's you know, people like you who always, you know, say such things and give me more confidence and validate my you know, my behavior in public or in person. So yeah, I mean, thank you so much for that.
Most
Thank you
welcome.
so much for giving me that blue tick on my behavior.
Thank you. And of course, moving forward, we also want to see a collaboration between the Khurana brothers. And I think you recently spoke about it. And you said that, you know, we are looking for scripts and all of that. But is 2021 going to be the year when at least an announcement is made?
Announcement, I don't know यार, अभी तो कोई ऐसी स्क्रिप्ट हमने शॉर्टलिस्ट करी नहीं है. But yeah, having said that, there are a couple of really, you know, relevant producers who are kind of pitching something, and looking forward to listen to the script very soon. जब नरेशन हो जाएगी तब शायद मैं ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर करने की कैपेसिटी में होऊंगा. अभी कुछ नहीं कह सकता यार. I think it'll be very special to you know, work together.
Definitely. And of course, 2020 was this one year when web just did it all. It was all over the place, and web shows, web films, everything just worked in its favor. Do you think even this year is going to be the same in terms of the web platforms?
Maybe. I think अभी कुछ चीजें इतनी कुछ सही तो हुई नहीं है, you know. जैसा पिछला साल निकला है अभी एकदम से तो सही होता हुआ नजर नहीं आ रही है चीजें. Having said that, you never know यार. I mean, कुछ टाइम में सब कुछ जैसे सब कुछ खराब होता है शायद सब कुछ ठीक भी हो जाए. So you never know that how much time will it take to get everything sorted. We are just hoping कि सब कुछ sort out हो जाए. Coming back to the content, यार films आए या OTT पे आए, you know, theatrical हो या OTT platform पे हो, how does it matter? I think audience is here to get entertained, and they're happy to be entertained, be it any platform.
Yeah, agree, definitely. And what about if I ask you, you know, to give a message to everyone who's been waiting to see you in 2021 as well, and waiting for your film, waiting for every work of yours, what is that one message that you would want to give those people to?
I would just want to request them to kind of, as I said, shower the same amount of love, you know, as they have done in the past 4-5 years. It's just so overwhelming to, you know, read those messages, to meet people who come and say some special things, be it at a party or at the airport or, you know, anywhere else, you know, on the road or on social media. It's just special to, it's very, very special to get these, you know, heartfelt messages from them. And I think every artist craves for them. I'm no different. I you know, I've had my own journey to kind of wait for these messages, and all these moments are always very, very special for an artist. So thank you, everyone. I hope the kind of love you've given to me back in the day, this year also has the same in store for me. Little more actually. Little more actually अगर हो सके तो.
Yeah, definitely. More is never bad. Always good. Welcome.
Yeah, more the merrier. More the merrier, guys.
Yeah.
More the merrier.
More the merrier. Okay, thank you so much, Apar, for talking to me
Pleasure,
once again.
Baba. Always a pleasure.
Yeah,
Big tight hug.
always.
I love your denim jacket,
Yeah.
and I'll see you around once this COVID shit is over.
Yeah,
let's catch up in Peeping Moon का office. वहाँ आता हूँ.
Pakka. We'll be waiting. Everyone, by the way, loves you at our office, and we have been waiting for you
सबको
to
मेरे
come.
पैसे पहुँच गए, मतलब सबको पैसे पहुँच गए.
पूरे बड़े envelopes पहुँच गए.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
ये सही किया. मैं अपने CEO को thank you बोल देता हूँ जिन्होंने सब कुछ organize किया.
Definitely.
Take care,
Okay,
Mama.
thank you so
Take
much,
care.
Apar Shakti. Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye.